up, guys? Oh my gosh, my armpit hurts. What's up, guys? And yeah, my special guest is here. Her name is Zabibu.
Call me Z, guys.
Zabibu, and let me say her last name. I forgot her last name. Saleh.
Yeah.
And don't you dare say my last name.
Mama, Donnie.
Stop. Punishment. You're not doing your character. I'm just kidding, you are. Okay, here's the house of disgrace. We have a new character.
It's the husband.
Yeah, that I can't find at all.
Husband.
Yeah. 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 All I want to say is say I love. You know what I'm gonna do to that ugly bunk bed? I'm gonna replace it with this. And it also takes less space. Come here. They're not gonna do anything weird. They're just going to. Whoa, that's weird.
And you already have 4 kids?
No. 1, 2, 3. Where's 5, 6? Oh, where's 7? 7? Where are you? Oh, there you are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2. 1, 2. It is 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pets. Wait. So there's 6 people. Add 2. 1, 2. There's literally 8 people in this cramped small house.
Moving.
They're not moving. They're gonna say, you need pajamas, young man. Where's his pajamas? Sorry, but we will use this as his pajamas. All I want to say is say I love you. Sorry, we were watching Aftermath yesterday today, and I am stuck with that song. All I want to say I love you. Anyways, guys, what do you want to do now? Okay, cool.
Oh, I have a suggestion.
What is it?
We should sneak out again.
Oh, wow. We get another fight. Mom beats us up, and then we get in trouble again. Great idea.
What's your name again?
Tiffany. Great idea, Tiffany.
You don't have to act so sarcastic.
But it's true. Oh my gosh, am I about to win?
Shut up.
Yes.
Shut up, Alex. You're so annoying with that stupid game of yours.
You know what? You're not sleeping in the room with me. Leo, you're sleeping with me. Yeah, and I'm not sleeping with you at all. I'm sleeping on the couch. No, I'm gonna sleep. You know where I'm gonna sleep? You know. No. Bye. Bye. Go away. Oh my gosh. Stop. What the heck happened? Okay, much better. Sorry, technical fault. I am going to sleep. We're gonna pretend something was always here. We're gonna put that right there. It doesn't fit. This is where I'm gonna sleep. This is where I'm gonna sleep. Yeah. Where did you find that bed? I don't know. I I thought we don't have a garage. I meant to say backyard. What? Backyard. Okay. Shut up. Well, I'm going to sleep now. Bye. I'm going to sleep too. I'm just kidding. I'm just going to sit in bed. I'm sleeping. Oh, and you're like, ugh. Why does everybody get to be in a room except for me?
Why does everybody have to get to be in a room except me? This family hates me.
Yeah, maybe because you suck.
You all suck anyways. I'm gonna sleep on the couch, whatever.
And then you go sleep. And then you sleep all night long. And you go to sleep. After 10 hours of sleep. Whoa! I'm finally done. Today's a Saturday. Tired. He's not going anywhere. So put that there. And I'm gonna give him that. No. What's that glove for? Oh, it's not a glove. I'm done. This girl is gonna put on. I don't know. Pretty little baby. Who snores that loud? Alex, stop snoring so loud. I can hear you from here. I think it's that girl. It's the babies.
It's a baby.
Ew. Who snores that loud? Stop. Stop. Dude. It's that girl. It's that baby girl right here. The one with the snake. Shh. Anna. We're gonna pretend Alex is the one. Stitch. That's so cool. Alex, you snore so loud. Yeah, Dad, I'm playing a game. Why don't he'll ever listen?
He never listens. He never listens.
That's your.
Oh yeah!
Hey yo, what the heck? Oh yeah, this is it. Bye. Run. Who's gonna put this? Well, and then I'm like, just say something.
Well, at least today's gonna be a great day. No one bothering me. Finally.
And then you're gonna like, why did you? I didn't do that. What happened, Glitch? You did that. I didn't do. I only touched my character and I put it down. You.
Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties.
I'm reading a book in my pajamas. I'm thinking it's her tablet. Sorry. sorry. Old Greg McTuby. Where the heck did your character go? Oh, there it is. Plays games in bed.
Well, I want to go to the... Well, Mom.
What is it now?
Can I go to the library?
Okay, sure.
Yay.
and pretend the library is that apartment thingy. And the brother stole some. You know those books on his shelf? He stole those from the library. Don't worry about us, we're talking about We're gonna post another one after that one. Yes, mommy. Oh, Maggie, we have no books. Say something.
I'm here to get some books.
You must get them. You must return them before Friday. If you don't, get an ugly hat. Why do you always wear the hat? Yeah,
I love this hat. It's my favorite hat, and it's really important to me. Well, at least I'm not the one with the ugly hat and a messed up haircut. Oh well, she doesn't know.
and get your stuff.
Yeah, I heard that you were the main characters. Haha, sucks to be you.
What books are these?
What books are these?
They're making. Turn off that ugly music. They're Mickey Icky Dookie teas from 1985. They're not new. The only new book we had is The Mystery of Strawberry. Is The Mystery of the The Mystery. The Mystery of the Strawberry Missing. And someone stole it, so just
Oh yeah, my brother stole that.
shut up. Technical difficulties. Come here, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Okay. I want to eat some popcorn and watch this.
Well, don't tell me to shut up. And my brother stole it. So, and he said he would never give it back. So we're not gonna give it back. Sucks to be you. I'm leaving.
Well, at least you got the nasty old books.
Well, I'm gonna sell some books.
And then you steal a bad one. Oh! Mold! Got the mold touch! Run for your lives! Runs away. The heck? Okay, I think that's all.